If you want your edits to look professional, you need to know these 6 hidden CapCut tricks. Some of them are seriously underrated, and once you learn them, you will never edit the same way again. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how they work. The first trick is auto velocity. I have some clips here from my last hike in Italy. Now try to trim the clips to around 3 seconds each. When you're done, click on the first one and go up to Speed, Curve and choose Bullet preset. Click in the first point and delete it. Delete also the third one. Then check Smooth Slow Motion and choose Optical Flow for better quality. Now repeat that for all the clips. Then move your playhead in between the first two clips, go up to Transitions and choose Pull In Transition. Place the same transition in between all of your clips. For the final touch, I will add music background, which I usually download from Epidemic Sound, where you have the largest music and sound effects library of copyright-free material. Just import it, drop it down, cut the part that is too long, set the fade out, and you're done. The second one is Keyframe Mask Movement. I have a random clip here and I'm going to drag down the second one on top of it like this, a little further from the beginning. Now I just want to color match both clips. So highlight the lower one, go up to Adjust, click on Color Match, click on the point where you want the colors to match, and click OK so you match the colors. Then move the upper clip to the beginning, go to Video, Mask, Add Mask and choose Film Strip Mask. Rotate it like this and set the feather to 20. Now shrink the mask to 0 and click Keyframe on Mask Settings. Then move forward 20 frames, stretch the mask like this, and keyframe will be created. Then right-click on the second keyframe, show all presets, and choose Circular Ease preset. Go to this position, click Keyframe on Mask Settings, move 20 frames forward, slide the mask back together again, right-click on the second keyframe, show all presets and choose the same preset as before. And here you have a nice keyframe mask movement. Here is the third one, camera locked movement. As we play this clip, you see that the person is moving to right and to left, but we want the person to be in the center the whole time. So highlight the clip, scroll down, click camera tracking, choose body and click start. When it's done, you'll see that the canvas blur is turned on. That means that we will have background blurred as the person will be in the center. If we turn on Fit to Canvas, the clip will be bigger and we will get rid of the blurred space. And if we turn Lock Object Size, the person will remain the same size all the time. Fourth trick is Object Cutout. As you maybe already know, you can cut out not only the person in CapCut, but also objects like mountain here. Duplicate that clip, go up to Remove BG and choose Custom Removal. Choose Smart Brush, adjust the size and mark the object. Hit Apply, go up to Text and add your own text. Stretch it to the end, Scroll down to transform and remember the Y position. Slide it out of the screen, adjust the Y position to 303 and click Keyframe in transform. Move your playhead to the end, slide the text to the other side and adjust the Y position to 303 again. Click Keyframe on transform. Move the text in between the clips, and here is the end result. Text blend mode is our fifth trick. Go up to text, add text and write number 1. Scroll down and add glow effect. Then slide number out of the screen and click Keyframe on transform. Move 15 frames forward and slide the number back on the center. Keyframe was created. Move 10 frames forward, click Keyframe on transform, then move 15 frames forward again and drag the number down like this. Now right click on the second keyframe, show all presets and choose Rebound Out. Do the same for the last keyframe but choose Rebound In preset. Then move your playhead to the third keyframe and duplicate the number, and instead of 1 write number 2. Repeat the process till you reach number 5. Highlight all the numbers, create a compound clip, go up to video, scroll down, click on motion blur and set it to 60 and blend to 85. Wait for the process to end and we get a nice text blend effect. And the last one for today is reverse transition trick. We have a runner here and let's make the clip a little slower. Go to the point where the splash is the highest and cut the clip. Highlight the first one and duplicate it. Then click on this reverse icon here to reverse the clip movement. Highlight the first clip again and click on freeze icon to get a still picture. We can shorten it a little. We can add an effect to this. Go to effects, find multi-angle effect. Just drag it down to the freeze picture. What we can also do is add some sound effects. So go to sound effects and find camera burst mode shutter. To make it even better, we can also add a reverse sound effect. And here's the end result. Hope you liked the tricks. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.